Okay guys, nakauwi na tayo, no? So nakuha na natin yung LC kila kuya. Gagamitin muna natin yun habang pinipinturahan si Toothless, ano? So, ito na ho, si LC, lumang crosswind. Alright. Hey guys, these are the things that came out from Toothless. Ayun pa yung mga gamit niya. There. Kasi nga, naglalabas na tayo ng gamit. Probably for preparing na, naku, may pimples pa ako. Preparing for repainting job of Toothless. Yun siya. So, ipupunta natin siya po sa ano, siguro April 1 or 31, I don't know. Somewhere between there. So, yeah. Hey guys, so iwan na natin si Toothless. So, tandaan natin yung mga bangga niya dyan. Tiran natin. One here. Tapos, maraming gas-gas to eh. You know. Yan. Sabagay, pipicturan naman to ni Carlo bago niya ano. There you go. So, iwan natin siya guys. And we'll see the transformation later on. Namigas kasi. See you soon after 3 weeks. So iwan natin siya sa, of course, sa Kawasan Cafe, Common Ground. Wala rin sulat ng Common Ground doon. Si Mang Arvin mag-iingat. Bahala dito si Mang Arvin. Yun. So iwan natin si Toothless. Okay, so ito na pala update kay Toothless. Ano nyo aking love life? Yun. Ay. Yan siya. So after this, we'll see drastic changes. Yeah. Andun yung bumper niya. Ayun yung ating velvet chin. Yung bumper sa harap. So yeah, that's it for now. Hey guys, so yung last video natin, kagigising ko. Mayroon kagigising ko na naman. Actually today is August, ano ba? August 21, hindi nyo na makikita. Today is August 21. I'm gonna cut you off muna dun sa kay Toothless about yung sa pintor niya kasi it's not yet done. Toothless is not yet done with that. Although tapos na siya a little bit. Oops. Hindi siya tapos for me kasi hindi pa siya na ceramic. So we're going out to fix something. So Toothless is on idle. Naka ano siya, naka idle siya ano. Look. Okay, so if I'll fix this problem, look. So tahimik siya, diba? But listen. Rinig niyo yan. Yung maingay na yun yung compressor. Kasi yung compressor ko, nasiraan na ako ng clutch nung compressor. Ngayon, nasabihan ako dati, you have to change the compressor. So we have to fix that. Alright. Alright. So we're back here. So, ang rason ng pagpapalit natin ng aircon ay hindi na siya ganun kalamig kasi that's why we have to change na. We felt it. Okay, regular cup of coffee. Umaga na naman guys, hindi pa ako naliligo nito. We have to be first. Okay, so ngayon, naramdaman namin yung paghina ng aircon niya during traffic nung dinala namin sa Manila. So while we are cruising, okay naman siya, may lamig. But during traffic, pag nandun ka sa traffic, grabe mainit siya. Hindi niya kayang palabas. Kaya niya, may buga naman siya ng lamig, but he cannot, toothless cannot make it colder. Lalo na nung biyahe namin, we were packed like 5 kami, actually 4 adults and one kid. So while on traffic, mainit, you have to use paypay, magpapaypay ka pa eh. Nakasagad na yung temperature nung lamig nung aircon, and then it was on number 3 kasi pag number 4 puro bugan na yun, wala na yung lamig na binubugan. So that's what I experienced. That's why I decided like after a few months na magpalit na ng mga pyesa kasi yung history ni Toothless is this. So nung 2020, I guess 2020 or 2021, may post pa ako eh. Again, galing kami ng Manila that time. Along the way, pag-exit namin sa tawag dito, pag-exit namin sa expressway, nawalan kami ng aircon, and turns out buti na lang gabi yung biyahe namin, hindi siya ganun kainit, no? So it turns out sira yung clutch niya. Oh my god. So sira yung clutch niya. So pagdating namin kinumagahan, pinayos ko kagad. So we bought a new clutch for the compressor. So after then, after how many years, like 2 years, there's something wrong with Toothless. So sa aircon niya, so I had it check up, and then yun nga, expansion valve. So nagpalit na rin ako expansion valve. And then lately, after how many years na, yun na nararamdaman ko na yung kakulangan sa lamig. So we went to Manila, it's raining, going, pero nandun ka na sa traffic nung nandun na kami sa traffic pauwi, you felt it like wala talaga siyang lamig. Hindi niya kaya i-sustain, mahina yung kanyang lamig. And then my brother, sa isang stopover, he looked on the condenser and he told me na madumi yung condenser at may konting tama yung condenser. So may konting tama, I mean hindi naman siya butas or something, parang siyang nadaanan ng something, may hugis. So after that, last week, may nadaanan ako, we're going somewhere, and then may nadaanan ako where sa aircon tech. So pina-check ko yung aking Freon kung meron ba, kasi nga kunento ko na lahat ng pwedeng ikwento history and everything about the AC system of Toothless. Yun, nung chinek nila, sabi nila sa akin, sir, kumpleto naman po lahat, wala na pong problema, hindi naman po nagbabawas yung premium nyo, kaya hindi tayo makapag-tag. So this is what we're going to do. I was being advised na i-flashing yung AC system. So that was the advice, cleaning and flashing. So sabi ko sa sarili ko, ibababa na nga lang natin, lilinisin na nga lang natin, di sabay na natin. So I bought condenser and compressor because alam ko, ito pa pala, alam ko na okay yung evap dahil evaporator kasi nagpalit na ako noon. Yun pala, first na nasira kay Toothless is evaporator sa kapabayaan ng paglilinis. But that was what? So long na I think that was 2019, 18. Ang tanda ko yun kasi wala akong trabaho. I think it's 2019, 2020. Ay, hindi, 2020 hindi na. So yun, nagpalit na rin pala ako ng evaporator nito. Oo nga pala, I forgot. Kasi sa sobrang dumi. So negligence ng part ko yun. Hindi ako nagpalinis ng aircon for mula nung nakuha si Toothless hanggang sa ako na yung nakahawak ni Toothless. You know, having a car is not that easy if you don't have any knowledge of it. Buti na lang si Toothless nung dumating, before pa dumating si Toothless, medyo interesado na ako sa mga ganung bagay, mga bagay-bagay sa sasakyan. So as you move on along your life, you learn a lot from dealing with things that you are new of. Kagaya nga nun, mga times na pangyayari kay Toothless na grabe, ang dami na naming pinagdaanan di Toothless. Actually, kulang yung episode 1 hanggang current episode kung sumatotalin mo lahat ng mga pangyayari nito. Kasi may mga senaryo na hindi mo na video kasi hindi pa naman ako ganun kateki nung mga times na troubleshoot dito and everything. Meron may mga times na. So yeah, so having a car doesn't only for us doesn't only give you so having a car doesn't only give you a confidence to go anywhere place that the car can go. Kung ipilit sa mga lugar na hindi kaya, and that is for the car guys. That's not only for the car guys. What I mean, yung from point A to point B. No, that's not how it is. Having a car meant joy. You know, you discover things that others don't. You know almost everything, every inch, the whole 9 yards of your own car. Pag may nangyaring ganto. That's fun. That's fun for us, kaming mga car guys. Minsan may mga times na ang hirap i-diagnose that you need help of others. And you would like say, yeah, thank you. And those things will make you closer than ever before. Kasi para siyang community doon sa car world. Community. Kasi ang dami na kasing ngayon, ang dami na kasing mga mema. Alam niyo yun, yung makapag-post pero wala naman talaga siyang idea sa nangyayari and everything. Makapag-post, ganyan. I don't know. Kaya we keep it, na lang, kaming mga nakakaalam, we keep it hindi naman secret, discreetly na lang. So puro PM na lang, nagtatanungan, mas okay yon. Kasi pag once you post, mga kupal, yung mga ibang sagot, imbes na nakakatulong, may magre-react ng tawa. You know, we were once a kid who doesn't know anything. Ganon din sana ang approach natin sa mga nagtatanong. Ganon din sana yung approach natin sa mga nagtatanong na you have to know that they are innocent and doesn't know anything about it. So let us be kind and humble enough to answer their question na wala naman talaga silang ka-idea kung ano man yun. Alright. So, yun. Sa yun. So, yun. Medyo lumalayo na tayo sa topic. We are going to the place. So, yun. Medyo nawawala na tayo sa topic natin kay Tutres. Anyway, I'll see you when I get there. Okay? Bye-bye. We're here na kay Tutres. See?
It's gonna clean, almost clean.
Ayan. So, sisimulan na nila maaga tayo. We're here at 7:22. So, baklas, condenser, baklas, compressor, baklas, evap, lahat yun. Linisan, flashing, and everything. Alright guys, go. Okay, so guys, ito yung ipapalit natin, no? May something wrong lang sa may fittings, pero okay na yan, madali lang yan. So, binigyan tayo ng sample kung malapit na palitan. So, pag may mga ganito na daw, langis na yan. So, okay na rin na magpalit tayo ng bago kaysa ipalinis ko lang ito. Alright. So guys, yung ating lumang compressor, the one. Oh, shout out sa'yo. Bumili ako sa'yo, ha? Check natin. So, ipa-flashing muna natin lahat bago ikabit yung mga yan. So guys, so 10:47 na. So, naibalik na nila kuya. Parang wala lang nangyari. 'Di ba? Up. So, magkakarga na ata sila. Excited kung nawala ba yung tunog or ganon, or lalamig ba siya or di. Let's find out later. Alright. Yeah guys. Hi guys, so nakuha na natin si Toothless. I mean, tapos na siya. Kita nyo naman, nakangiti ako. Kita mo naman. Kita mo naman talaga. Yeah, so they did a good job for now, kasi syempre gagagawa. Let's wait for further days. Pero as of now, ang laki nung difference between nung dati tsaka nung, kasi syempre na flashing. Tapos yung compressor hindi na maingay. May video ako mamaya, gagawin natin yun. Pakita natin na hindi na siya maingay. And then bago yung condenser. So yun. So dito ako nagpagawa sa Jelos, ano, maganda. The owner is so approachable. Siya pala talaga yung gumagawa. I mean, nagulat ako kasi akala ko tao nila yung kanina, tapos siya pala may ari. Okay. Turns out, pinsan niya pa yung naging katrabaho ko dati sa Toyota. So, yun, tetestingin natin siya ngayon sa sobrang init na klima ng Pilipinas. Alam niyo naman yung aking tint clear itong buong harap niya. So let's see how this thing performs. Yung compressor na bago, yung condenser na bago, and so of course yung kanilang service kung paano. But naka number 1 lang po ito, hindi pa sagad yung temp niya or the thermostat, pero you see the changes. It's colder, it's malayong colder than the previous days na hindi pa siya naayos or hindi pa natin siya napagalaw or napa-prepare. Malayo ho yung lamig niya compared to that. Tingnan natin ngayon dito sa labas yung araw. Kaya guys, babad sa araw si Toothless. Hi guys, so dito kami muna. Hi love! Ayan si Toothless. Oh, inon ko aircon nun. Mainit kasi maghintay dun eh. Leather kasi yung upuan nun, so medyo mainit. Kaya malamig lang natin. Okay guys, so nasa loob na kami agad. Kung dati, kung ganitong sa labas na tayong 5 minutes sa labas, ay akala ko hindi pa siya malamig. Leather nga lang yung upuan. Pero yung buga niya, guys, malamig. Kakatuwa. Pero yung nasa likod natin sa sakyan, yung isang Miyata. Namin may nakapark na Miyata JDM. Alright. Guys, malamig. Kung ganito sana, pinagpapawisan na kami. Alright. Hi guys, another day, another morning. This time naligo na ako. Kapon wala. So let's see the difference though. So again, Toothless is on idle. I-on na natin yung ating aircon. Right, number 1 muna. Let's see. Ayan guys. So, ngayon yung plate. So narinig nyo na lang ay yung fan. So wala na po yung ingay ng ating compressor. Compared natin dun sa kahapon. So yeah. The compressor is better than yesterday. Nice. Oh shit.